Top 5 Foldable Mini Washing Machines 2025. Compact, portable, and powerful. These foldable mini washers are perfect for travel, dorms, and small apartments. Save space and energy while keeping your clothes fresh anywhere, anytime. Links in the description for each product mentioned. Number 1. Mrzniak Portable Foldable Washer Compact Mini Washing Machine for small spaces, travel, apartments and dorms. Lightweight, energy-saving, USB-powered laundry cleaner. Foldable and space-saving design, easily collapses for convenient storage in small apartments, dorms, RVs, or travel bags. Perfect for washing baby clothes, underwear, or small loads. Of powerful ultrasonic cleaning. Advanced 360 degrees ultrasonic technology removes dirt and stains efficiently while protecting delicate fabrics. Energy and water efficient, uses less water and power than traditional washers, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution. USB-powered convenience. Simply connect to any USB port, power bank, or adapter. Wash your clothes anywhere, anytime. Durable and safe materials made of high-quality, non-toxic ABS and TPR materials for long-lasting performance and safe use. Portable and lightweight, ideal for travel, camping, business trips, and tight living spaces. Easy to carry and store. The Mrzniak Portable Foldable Washer 2025 model redefines convenience in laundry care. Designed for people on the go, this compact and foldable washing machine fits anywhere from your dorm to your suitcase. Featuring ultrasonic cleaning technology, it provides deep yet gentle cleaning, perfect for delicate fabrics and small loads. With USB-powered operation, it's simple to use at home or on the road, saving both water and electricity. Whether you're traveling, living in a small apartment, or need a backup washer, the Mrzniak Portable Washer offers the ultimate blend of efficiency, portability, and modern design. Number 2. Quiwis 11L Foldable Mini Washer with Spin Dryer Portable Compact Washing Machine for Apartments, Dorms, Camping and Travel. Energy efficient, quiet operation. 2025 upgrade. 11L Large Capacity, wash more clothes in one cycle with the upgraded 11-liter design. Perfect for t-shirts, baby clothes, towels, and undergarments. 2-in-1 wash and spin function. Integrated washing and spin drying system ensures quick and efficient cleaning with minimal effort. Foldable and space-saving collapsible silicone body allows for easy storage in tight spaces. Ideal for small apartments, dorms, and travel. Energy and water efficient, uses minimal electricity and water, providing an eco-friendly and cost-effective laundry solution. Low noise motor, enjoy quiet operation for hassle-free laundry anytime, anywhere. Portable and lightweight, easy to carry for travel, camping trips, or RV living. Take clean clothes wherever you go. Durable construction, built with premium ABS and TPR materials for long-lasting durability and safety. Experience the ultimate convenience in compact laundry care with the Quiwis 11L Foldable Mini Washer with Spin Dryer 2025 model. Number 3. Serene Life Portable Mini Washing Machine Foldable Bucket Washer for travel, apartments, dorms and RVs. Compact, energy efficient, USB-powered laundry machine. 2025 upgrade. Foldable space-saving design. Innovative collapsible bucket design makes it easy to store and carry. Ideal for small spaces, RVs, dorm rooms, and travel. Efficient washing performance. Powerful ultrasonic cleaning technology ensures deep cleaning while protecting delicate fabrics. Energy and water saving, designed to use minimal power and water for eco-friendly, cost-effective operation. USB-powered convenience, compatible with power banks, adapters, or laptops. Perfect for on-the-go laundry anywhere, anytime. Lightweight and portable, weighs less than 5 pounds, making it simple to pack for camping, business trips, or road travel. Ideal for small loads. Perfect for washing baby clothes, underwear, towels, and other small garments quickly and efficiently. Durable, safe materials made from high-quality ABS and TPR for long-lasting performance and user safety. Make laundry effortless wherever you go with the Serene Life Portable Mini Washing Machine, Foldable Bucket 2025 model. This compact washer combines smart design with efficient cleaning power, making it perfect for small living spaces or travel. Number 4. ABXKZ 15L Foldable Mini Washing Machine Portable Washer with Spin Dryer, Large Capacity, Low Noise, Energy Efficient Laundry Machine for Apartments, Dorms, RVs and Travel. 2025 upgrade. 15L Large Capacity, wash more in one load. Ideal for small families, apartments, dorms, or travel use. Perfect for shirts, towels, baby clothes, and undergarments. 2-in-1 wash and spin function. Dual mode operation allows both washing and spin drying, saving you time and effort. Foldable space-saving design. Innovative collapsible body for easy storage in tight spaces like cabinets, dorms, or RVs. Energy and water efficient, uses minimal power and water for eco-friendly, cost-effective washing. Quiet and stable operation. Upgraded low noise motor ensures smooth, silent performance without disturbing your Environment, durable and safe materials made with high-quality, non-toxic ABS and TPR for long-lasting use and safety. Portable and lightweight, easy to carry for camping, road trips, or small space living. Laundry made simple anywhere, anytime. Upgrade your laundry routine with the ABXKZ15L Foldable Mini Washing Machine 2025 model, the perfect blend of capacity, portability, and convenience. Number 5. ASAVEA Portable Mini Washing Machine Foldable Compact Washer for travel, apartments, dorms and RVs. Energy efficient, USB powered, quiet operation. 2025 upgrade. Foldable space-saving design. Compact collapsible design makes it perfect for small apartments, dorms, and travel. Store easily when not in use. Efficient cleaning performance. Ultrasonic cleaning technology delivers powerful stain removal while being gentle on delicate fabrics. USB powered for convenience. Plug into any USB port, power bank, or adapter. Enjoy quick washing anywhere, anytime. Low energy and water consumption. Designed for eco-friendly washing, saving both electricity and WAD. Quiet motor technology. Enjoy peaceful operation. Ideal for night use or shared living spaces. Portable and lightweight, easy to carry for travel, camping, or RV living. Ideal for washing small loads on the go. Durable materials made from high-quality, non-toxic ABS and TPR for long-lasting and safe performance. Simplify your laundry routine with the ASAVEA Portable Mini Washing Machine 2025 model, the ultimate companion for small space living and travel. Its foldable, lightweight design makes it easy to store and carry, while the ultrasonic cleaning system ensures deep yet gentle washing for delicate garments. With USB-powered operation, you can clean your clothes anywhere, whether at home, in a dorm, or on the road. Eco-friendly, quiet, and highly convenient, the ASAVEA Mini Washer combines modern efficiency with everyday practicality. Perfect for clean clothes anytime, anywhere.